Hi guys, in this episode I'll be showing you, I know this is pretty messed up now, so in this episode I'll be showing you how to make a Lego Crown Victoria. So, let's go. So, as recently I got comments on Twitter to show my face, so I'm doing it. So, sorry, just let's go into the video. So, you need this, and I just put it right here like this. It's pretty easy. This, and then put your two ones here like this. Hello Kitty, how are ya? It's my cat, sorry about this guys. So this here, and this here, and this here, and then put one here like this. Sorry guys, and this is pretty unusual because I'm posting it outside, but it's a really nice day today. So so then we need one of these. So we need one of these and stick them like this. Ice cream man. Oh my god. So and then we need the same as that here. And then we need one of these for the back right here like this. And then the front one. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So put it like that. Stick one like this, and then 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then use the white one and press it in like this, so it's pretty nice shape. Now we'll just put this guy in. His hat. So just press it in here. Then put in the window like this, and then the other window up in here like this, and then sorry guys, so put this window in 1, 2 like this. Pretty cool. And then put one of these like this. I'm gonna use this one here, and then I'm gonna put on the thing, and then I'm gonna put in one of these, and then one of these, and the siren. So this pretty looks like a Crown Victoria Lego. And then put this here, and then this. Thanks for watching this video, how to make Lego Crown Victoria. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe. Bye! See you later. Bye-bye, kitty.